Welcome to IAC ma. Now we are discussing ma RRB Office Assistant Grand Test 51 paper explanation ma regarding quantitative aptitude part. 41 to 45 ma, here what table is given ma. The table given below shows the number of males and females ma. Males and females information given ma, living in different societies ma, A B C D E, such kind ma. 41 ma, what is the ratio ma? Question asking ma, ratio. What is the ratio of number of males in society A and C together ma to the number of females in society C alone ma? Males of A and C ma, A and C 120 plus 160 ma 280 is 2. Females of E only ma. Females of C ma, nothing but ma 240. 240 ma. Anyway, 0 gets cancelled ma. 4 sevens, 4 6 ma. Nothing but ma, the ratio is 7 is to 6 ma. Option A. Next ma. 42. Total number of people living in society is how much percent more or less ma? Question asking ma, percent more or less than the total number of people living in society A ma. Total one, not male female, అందరూ కలిపి అడుగుతున్నామా. సో ఈ టోటల్ ఇస్ మా 324 124 మా, నథింగ్ బట్ మా 448. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మా లివింగ్ ఇన్ సొసైటీ ఏ మా, ఏ టోటల్ మా 120 plus 160 మా 280 మా. 280 ma, it is clearly more ma, but question asking how much percent asking ma. So percent అన్నప్పుడు first of all we will see the difference ma. 300 అనుకుంటా ma, 148 168. So more కాబట్టి we should write ma less value ma, 168 by 280 into 100 ma. రఫ్ గా తీసుకుంటే ma 10% ma 28 ma. 28 కి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 6 times ma, because 28 6 ma 168 ma, 120 48 ma 168 ma. So exactly 6 times, nothing but ma 60% ma. 60% ma, option D. Option D. Next one. 43 ma. What is the average number of males in society BCD together ma? Question asking ma, average males BCD ma. 172 160 and 280 ma. So by adding that ma, 2 3 4 480 540 and 612 ma. 612 by 3 ma. 612 by 3, nothing but ma 204 ma. 204. Option B ma. Option B. Next ma. 44. What is the difference ma? Question asking difference. What is the difference between the total number of males in society D and E together, D and E together, and the number of females in A and B together ma? So males of D and E ma, D and E ma, males, this total ma, nothing but ma 500 to 604. And next ma, females of A and B ma, females of A and B, these together ma 160 180 ma 280 344. Question asking ma difference, 4 minus 4 0 ma, anyway 60 minus 34 ma, nothing but 26 ma. So 260 ma. Next ma. What is the total number of people living in society C and D together ma? Total people ma, not male female, అందరూ కలిసి అడుగుతారు ma. Society ನಮ್ಮ male and female together of society C and D ma. So these ma, these are things we should add ma. So anyway ma, end digit 4 you will get ma, but all the options are ending with 4 only ma. So just balance add ma, 160 plus 240 ma 400 680 780 860 ma. 864. Option A ma. Option A ma 864 ma. 46 to 50 ma. Here ma, bar graph given ma, a shopkeeper sold two types of bags, school bags and office bags. School bags and office bags on different days of the week. The bar graph given below shows ma school bags and office bags ma. Here ma, school bags ma indicating with ma blue color ma, office bags ma indicating with ma orange color ma. That should be careful. School bags and office bags ma. 46 ma, what is the average? Question asking ma, average. What is the average number of office bags sold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ma? Office bags ma, orange one ma, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ma, nothing but ma 96 plus 64 plus 80 ma, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ma. So by 160 plus 80 ma, 240 by 3 ma, average ma, 240 by 3, nothing but ma 80 ma. Next. 47 ma, 47. Total number of bags sold on Friday is how much percent more ma? Question asking ma, percent more or less than the total number of bags sold on Wednesday ma. టోటల్ అన్నాడమ్మా, స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్స్ ఆఫీస్ బ్యాగ్ కంబైన్ కలిపి తీసుకోవాలమ్మా. ఫ్రైడే టోటల్ మా 152 72 మా, నథింగ్ బట్ మా 224. and Wednesday total ma 120 plus 80 ma 200 ma. 200 ma. Here by looking ma 24 more, more undi kabatti we should write ma less value in denominator ma. 24 by 200 into 100 ma, nothing but ma 12% ma, 2 12 times ma 12%. Option C ma, option C. Next ma, 48 ma, 48. What is the 48 ma? What is the difference between the, what is the difference between the number of school bags sold on Monday and Friday together and office bags sold on Thursday ma? Question asking ma difference. School bags Monday and Friday ma, school bags nothing but ma blue one, Monday and Friday ma 80 and 72 ma, nothing but ma 152, 152. And the office bags sold on Thursday ma, office bags ma orange color ma Thursday 128 ma, 152 minus 128 ma 130, 24 difference ma, nothing but ma option A. Next ma, 49th ma, 49th. What is the ratio of the total number of bags sold on Tuesday, Thursday, respectively? Question asking ma ratio Tuesday to Thursday ma. Tuesday 112 plus 64 ma 110, 170, 176 is to Thursday ma 120, 180, 192 ma. Question asking ma ratio. Here ma we can cancel ma 16 ones, 16 ones. 16 1 is 60, 32 ma 16 twos, 11 is to 12 ma, 11 is 12, nothing but ma option B. Next question number 50 ma 50. What is the total number of school bags except on Wednesday ma? Except on Wednesday school bags ma, school bags nothing but ma blue color ma, school bags asking ma, so nothing but ma 80 plus 112 except on Wednesday ma 64 and 72 ma. These are things ma we should add ma. So 110, 190, 190, 250 plus 70 ma 320, 326, 328 ma 328, nothing but ma option A. Option A ma 328 ma. Next. Now we are looking at question number 51. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:4 respectively. And if 108 ml of the mixture is replaced with 28 ml of water, the quantity of water is 20 ml more than that of milk. Find the original quantity. Question asking ma original quantity. So originally ma milk and water are in the ratio of 5:4. Nothing but ma those are 9 parts. Obvious ka ma number ma 9 table. 9 multiple అయ్యే విధంగా ఉంటుంది మా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 9 తో మల్టిపుల్ మా, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్సో 9 multiple, it is also 9 multiple because sum is 9 ma, so it is also all are multiples of 9 ma. If you go for first option ma, as per first option 9 parts is equals to 180 ma, nothing but one part is 20 ma, so 25 is 100 ma, 24 is 80 ma. So as per first condition, but 108 ml mixture is replaced. 108 ml mixture replace చేశాడు. ఎప్పుడైతే రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ 108 ml లో కూడా దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ద రేషియో 5:4. సో 9 parts అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ మా 9 parts is 108 మా, 1 part is 12. So it is 60 minus అవుద్ది మా, ఇది 12 4s 48 minus అవుద్ది because we are replaced ma. So it is 40 balance ma, it is a 32 balance. Now he was saying that ma 28 ml of water is added ma, so add the 28 ml water ma. Now it was becoming ma 60. Now the condition is satisfied or not ma, check it ma. What is the condition ma? The quantity of water is 20 ml more than milk ma, so water quantity 20 ml more than milk ma, so clearly satisfying ma, so obviously option A ma, option A is our answer, right ma. Next 52 ma, 52. The ratio of the efficiency ma, question asking ma efficiency గురించి చెప్తున్నా ma. The ratio of efficiency of A, B and C is 9:87 ma respectively. If all together can complete a piece of work in 75 days, then find the time taken by A and C together to complete the 80% of work ma. So వాళ్ళ ఎఫిషియన్సీస్ మా 9:87 రేషియోలో ఉన్నాయంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా వాళ్ళ టోటల్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ మా 9 + 8 మా 17, 17 + 7 24 మా. సో ఎవ్రీ డే దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ మా 24 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ మా. సో టోటల్ మా 75 డేస్ లో ఫినిష్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి టోటల్ వర్క్ వచ్చేసరికి 75 into 24 మా. దిస్ ఈజ్ మా టోటల్ వర్క్ మా. 9 + 8 17 + 7 24 ఎఫిషియన్సీతో 75 డేస్ లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా టోటల్ వర్క్ మా 75 into 24 ద టోటల్ వర్క్ మా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ టోటల్ వర్క్ వాస్ డన్ బై ఏ అండ్ సి. ఎవరు చేయాలని చెప్తున్నా? ఏ అండ్ సి ఫినిష్ చేయాలన్నాడు. సో బై ఏ అండ్ సి మా నథింగ్ బట్ మా 9 + 7 మా 16 వీళ్ళు చేయాలి. బట్ దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డూ కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ మా, దే వాంట్ టు డూ ఓన్లీ 80% ఆఫ్ వర్క్. మొత్తం చేయకూడదమ్మా, 80% చేయాలని చెప్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి దీనికి ఇంటూ 80% మా. 80% నథింగ్ బట్ మా 4/5 మా, 4/5 మా. నౌ వీ కెన్ క్యాన్సల్ మా 5 1s, 5 15s, 4 4s, 4 6 ma 15 6 ఎంత ma 15 6 90 ma. So they can complete the work in ma 90 days ma. Option B. Option B. Next one. 53 ma. Ratio of number of males to female in company is 19 is to 13. If the number of males and females is increased by 1144 and 888 respectively, then the ratio of number of female to male ma. ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్త మా ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఏమో మేల్ టు ఫీమేల్ చెప్తున్నాడమ్మా మేల్ టు ఫీమేల్ బట్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మా ఫీమేల్ టు మేల్ మా ఇది రివర్స్ చేసుకోవాలమ్మా వి షుడ్ మేక్ ఇట్ మా రివర్స్ మా ఓకేనా రైట్ మా దట్ షుడ్ బి కేర్ఫుల్ ఆర్డర్ కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందో చూసుకోవాలి మేల్ టు ఫీమేల్ వి బికమ్స్ రివర్స్ మా 5 is to 7 మా సో దెన్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మేల్స్ ఇన్ కంపెనీ ఇనిషియల్ గా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మేల్స్ మా అంటే క్వశ్చన్ మా ఈ 19 పార్ట్స్ ఏంటి వాట్ అబౌట్ 19 పార్ట్స్ మా అండ్ ఆబ్వియస్ గా మన నెంబర్ 19 తో మల్టిపుల్ అయ్యే విధంగా అంటే 19 టేబుల్లో వచ్చే విధంగా ఉంటుంది మా 19 తో మల్టిపుల్ అయ్యే నెంబర్ మన ఆన్సర్ అనమాట ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి సో మెనీ options are options కూడా larger numbers ఉన్నాయి better first of all leave that ma least and highest option ma కాసేపు among that least option ma 2318 ma దీన్ని కాసేపు పక్కన పెడదాం it is about 243 ma highest one ma కాసేపు పక్కన పెట్టేమా go for another options ma if you take the first option as per first option 19 multiple లేదా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దామా 19 1 19 ఎంత బ్యాలెన్స్ మా 4 49 ma 19 2 38 ma 38 అంటే 11 బ్యాలెన్స్ మా సో 38 ma 11 బ్యాలెన్స్ మా సో 49 లో 49 38 ma 11 balance 114 19 6 so chances unnayama 19 multiple అవుతుంది maybe chance will be there if you go for that ma here ma 19 ones 19 49 ma 19 2 38 ma 19 6 so one part is ma 126 ma so next one ma 13 parts kabatti 13 into 126 13 6 78 ma 7 balance 13 to the 26 plus 7 ma 33 3 balance 13 1 13 plus 3 ma is 1638 ma will 196 ma is the 2394 so 1144 will add here ma will 888 added ma 16 9 12 9 15 2526 ma 8 13 5 3 ma 3 5 3 8 ma 3 5 3 8 here we have to get the ratio of 7 is to 5 ma 7 is to 5 రావాలంటే most probably round of numbers ma these are not round of numbers ma we can check it ma 7 times రావాలి అంటే it is ma 35 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది అంటే obvious గా 5 తో అయ్యే విధంగా ఉండాలి ma because 507s are 25 35 ma so 507s ma so clear గా లేదు కాబట్టి obviously there is ma no chances for this ma no chances for this go for next option ma go for next option if you go for 2356 ma if you go for 2356 ma 19 ones 19 ma 19 ones 19 4 45 ma 19 twos are 38 ma 38 at 7 balance ma 19 fours ma here ma 13 into 124 13 fours 52 5 balance ma 13 to the 26 plus 5 ma 31 3 balance 13 ones 1612 it is 2356 by adding ma 1144 it is ma 888 15 25 it is ma 10 35 ma so zeros cancel ma 5 5 5 so clearly 75 we are getting ma so obviously option B ma option B is your answer ma otherwise ma we can take it as ma 19x 13x we can do in such way also ma in that way also we can proceed ma right ma next 54th ma the sides of a triangle are 33 56 65 ma 33 56 and 65 ma find the area of the triangle ma whenever three different sides are given ma area of triangle we learn that ma under root of s into s minus a s minus b s minus c as per that ma s is nothing but ma half of perimeter that means sum of these divide by 2 ma by sum ma nothing but ma 30 80 plus 60 ma 145 140 151 154 by 2 nothing but ma double 7 so under root of s into 77 into s minus a ma 77 minus 33 ma 44 77 minus 56 ma 60 17 plus 4 ma 21 it is ma 12 12 ma so instead of multiplication ma just ma break it this one we can break 11 sevens this one we can break ma 11 fours we can break ma 7 threes 3 fours obvious మనకు తెలుసు జనరల్ గా వి లర్న్ ఇన్ స్కూల్ లెవెల్ ఆల్సో రూట్ లో 2 నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే అవుట్ సైడ్ విల్ గెట్ మా 1 నెంబర్ సో 2 11s సో 11 2 sevens ma 7 2 fours nothing but 4 and 2 threes ma 3 so 4 threes are 12 12 sevens are 84 11s ma 840 plus 84 ma 840 plus 84 nothing but ma 924 next ma A boat can travel 172.8 kilometers, 172.8 kilometers in upstream in 7 hours 12 minutes. If the ratio of the speed of the boat in upstream and downstream is 3 is to 5, 3 is to 5. Find the distance traveled by the boat in 4 hours in still water. So from the first condition, upstream lo 172.8 travel chestama. In upstream it was traveling 172.8 kilometers in 7 hours 12 minutes 7 hours upstream low we know that stream speed is disadvantage to boat nothing but boat speed minus stream speed that equals to 172.8 7 hours 12 minutes nothing but 7 1 by 5 hours that means 36 by 5 so into 5 divide by that is if you remove that decimal 0 will get here 5 sevens 5 twos 4 18s 4 4 16s 4 3s 4 twos 36 72 18 fours so boat speed minus stream speed upstream speed is nothing but we know upstream speed and downstream ratio 3 is to 5 nothing but if it is 24 it should be 40 it should but question asking find the distance traveled by boat in 4 hours question distance nothing but speed into time speed that is also boats just we require boat speed only boat speed nothing but sum of this by 2 because downstream speed plus upstream speed by 2 64 by 2 nothing but 32 into time 4 hours 128 128 128 right next Arun invested a certain amount of sum at 10% per annum compound interest, compounded annually and received an interest of 13 to 40 after 3 years. Find the total amount obtained after this. So మనకి interest గురించి చెప్పాడమ్మా క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్కింగ్ అమౌంట్ సో కాంపౌండ్ every at 10% 3 years అన్న కాబట్టి కాంపౌండ్ 33.1 so 33.1% 33.1% is equals to 13 to 40. Question asking amount అన్నప్పుడు principal plus interest if you go for principal choose first of all shall we see no principal nothing but 100% here if you remove the decimal 0 331 exactly 4 times nothing but principal 40,000 but question asking amount principal plus interest 40 plus 13 53 to 40 53 to 40 nothing but option B next a shopkeeper marked an article 75% above the cost price and sold it after 2 successive discounts nothing but continuous discounts of 20 and 25 sorry 20 and 30 and respectively and 1 to for rupees 1 to 15.2 find the profit or loss incurred to the shopkeeper so first of all he was marked 75% above the cost price let us assume if CP is 100 the market price will becomes 175 after that 2 successive discount first one 20 percentage nothing but 35 rupees if 35 discount offer chese obviously that will becomes 140 next 30% discount offered nothing but 42 140 minus 40 98 and the final sale price వచ్చరికి 98 98 when we assume it as 100 final sale price 98 అవుతుంది but as per the question the sale price is 1215.2 so this 98 is equals to 1215.2 but question asking find the profit or loss 100 98 కి సేల్ చేశారంటే ఆబ్వియస్ గా 2 లాస్ అవుతున్నట్టు సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద 2 సో మనకు లాస్ అని క్లియర్ గా ఉంది బట్ అది ఎంత అవుతుంది 2 మీన్స్ హౌ మచ్ సో బై క్యాన్సిలింగ్ 2 49 14 obvious 7 multiple 7 sevens 7 sevens 7 ones 51 7 sevens 49 25 7 3 21 42 7 6 7 2s 14 33 7 4s 28 24.8 nothing but option B 24.8 loss next A and B entered into business investing in the ratio 1800 and 1500 respectively and the respective ratio of the time which they made the investment is 3:2 find the profit share of A if the total profit is 1680 so clear ga chuskuma capitals clear ga cheppadu 18 15 and obvious ga zeros will cancel 3 6 it is 6 times it is 5 times capitals are in the ratio 6:5 so మన partnership lo we know that to get the profit capital into time nothing but 6 into 3 ma 18, 5 into 2 ma 10, nothing but 2 nines, 2 fives. Well, the profits are in the ratio ma 9 is to 5. We require ma A profit ma A was getting ma 5 parts out of 14 from 1680. 14 ones, 14 to 125 times nothing but ma 600. Sorry, 120 ma 14 ones, 28 ma 14 to 120. We require A profit ma sorry. A ma 9. 12 nines ma 12 nines ma 108 ma 1080. We require ma question asking what is the profit of A ma 1080 ma. Next. Now we are looking at question number 15.9 ma. 4 years from now, ratio of ages of A and B ma 7 is to 8 ma. A and B ages ratio ma 7 is to 8 respectively. Ratio of the ages of A 12 years ago to the present age of B is 2 is to 3 ma. Find the present average age of A and B ma. Question asking what is the average of A and B ma. If you take that ma, if you take this is 7x and 8x ma, as per that ma, there is ma 4 years after, that means present A will be 7x minus 4 ma, B will be 8x minus 4, and the next ratio ma A is 12 years back ma, A 12 years back nothing but ma minus 12, and B's present age ma 8x minus 4, that equals to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 ma, so that is ma 21x minus 16 3 is ma 48, 16x minus 8 ma, nothing but ma 5x is equals to 40 ma, x is 8 ma. If x is 8 ma, if x is 8 ma, their ages will be 7 8 ma 56 minus 4 ma 52, 8 4 8 8 ma 64 minus 4 ma 60. These are the individual ages ma, but we require ma average ma 112 by 2 nothing but ma 56 ma. Option B ma, option B 56 ma. Otherwise ma we can go on one by one option verification also ma. Next 60 ma. Question number 60. Monthly incomes of A is 8,000. He saves 40% of his monthly income if the monthly expenditure of A is decreased by 25% while his monthly savings is increased by 25%. Then the increase or decrease his monthly income is. So for example ma income, let us assume ma income is 100%. In that ma his saving is 40% obvious ka expenditure ma balance ma 60% is expenditure ma. తర్వాత ఏం చెప్తున్నా if the monthly expenditure of A is decreased by 25%, సో ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ మా 25% డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యింది అంటే దీంట్లో 25% నథింగ్ బట్ మా 1/4 నథింగ్ బట్ మా 15% మా ఇఫ్ డిక్రీజ్ ద 15% మా దట్ విల్ బికమ్స్ మా 45%, while his monthly savings is increased by 20%. In savings మాత్రం 25% రైజ్ అయ్యామా నథింగ్ బట్ 1/4 ఆఫ్ దిస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మా 10%. సో ఆబ్వియస్ గా 50% మా నౌ ఇన్కమ్ మా 50 ప్లస్ 45 మా 95% ఇన్కమ్ అయింది మా. ఇనిషియల్ ఇన్కమ్ is 100% ma, now the income is 95%, but question asking ma his income is increased or decreased ma, decreased by how much ma 5% ma, 5% decrease nothing but ma option C ma, option C ma 5% decrease. Next 61 to 70 ma, these are the simplifications ma. 36% of 250, otherwise we can see reverse order also ma. Reverse 250% nothing but ma 200% plus 50% ma, 36 plus 36 ma 72 plus half of that ma 18 ma, 72 plus 18 ma nothing but ma 90. Division becomes ma into 4 by 5, 5 18s ma 18 4 72, option A. Next here ma under root of question mark by 9 into 51 is equals to 126 and half plus 26 and half nothing but ma 153. 51 3 times 3 nines ma 27, ఇక్కడ 27 ఉందంటే లోపల 27 square should be 27 square ma 729. Next ma 5 into 4 20 plus 4 ma 24. 0.5 అంటే రూట్ అన్నట్టు మా, ఇది రూట్ 4 అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ 2, ఇట్ ఈస్ మా 4, 2 4s are 8 ma, 8 3s, option E ma. Next root of 24 power 4 ma we can split as ma 24 square whole square nothing but ma 24 square ma, ఇది 24 square ma it is 576, so by adding this ma 7 800 ma, 800 by 20 square nothing but ma 400, that means ma 2 times. Next ma 14 into 627 ma 1089 ma nothing but ma 33 square minus 141 plus 91 ma nothing but ma minus 50. Here ma 33 ma we can cancel ma 11, 11 threes, 11 fives, 55, 11 sevens ma, 3 19s ma. So 19 into 14 ma, 190 plus 76 ma, 190 plus 76 nothing but ma 266 minus 50 ma 216. 216 is nothing but ma 6 cube. Next, next ma. 2 par question mark under root of 576 ma, it is 24 ma, this value is 24. 540 by 3 nothing but ma 180 minus 84, 180 లో 84 పోతే బ్యాలెన్స్ మా 96 మా 24 లో 4 టైమ్స్ అవుతుంది మా క్యాన్సిల్ మా. సో నథింగ్ బట్ మా 2 పార్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఈక్వల్ 4, ఆబ్వియస్ గా 2 స్క్వేర్ మా, అంటే స్క్వేర్ 2 యుల్ గెట్ మా. నెక్స్ట్ మా, here ma mixed fractions ma plus into division ma as per Bodmas rule. First we should approach ma division. Here ma convert chese 7 5 is 35 plus 4 ma 13, 9 by 7, 12 plus 1 13 by 2 into 2 by 13, 8 to the 16 plus 5 ma 21 by 8 plus 6 1 the 6 plus 1 ma 7 by 6 ma. So the entire into ma, here ma we can cancel 13 threes, 7 threes, 2 fours ma, nothing but that is 9 by 4 ma, 7 by 6 plus 9 by 4. By doing cross ma 28 plus 54 ma, 28 plus 54 ma 78, 82 by 24. 2 12s, 2 41 ma, 12 3 is 36 5 ante option E ma. 12 to end only one option is option E ma. Next, root 125 into root, actually root 125 we can't say that ma, but 125 into 8 ma, 125 into 8 nothing but ma 1000, that means ma 10 is ma 10,000 ma, root of 10,000 nothing but ma 100. So 16 into 4 ma 6400 ante obvious ka 80 ma, 100 minus 80 ma 20. Next ma, under root of 729 ma 27 square. So 27 by 9 ma, 27 by 9 ante 3, 3 into 2 ma 6 minus 49 plus 108 ma. So 108 plus 6 ma 114 lo 14 పోతుంది ma. So 108 plus 6 ma 114 minus 14 ma, 14 minus 9 ma 5, 65 nothing but ma option A. Next, here ma 0.025 is ma obvious ka 4 ma 4 square 16, 4 cube 64, 4 power 4 is 2 is ma, nothing but is ma 0.4 power 4 ma, it is 0.4 power 4, it is 0.4 cube, in between a division symbol ma. So and obvious ka 0.4 power 4 by 0.4 cube, obvious గా 3 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది మా, ఇంకొక 0.4 మిగిలిపోతుంది మా. ఈ 0.4 ఇంటూ 8 ఉన్నాయమ్మా, ఓవరాల్ గా 9 ఉంటాయమ్మా. హియర్ మా 0.4 టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ 9, ఇట్ ఈస్ మా 0.4 స్క్వేర్. ఎనీవే 9 లో 2 క్యాన్సిల్, ఇంకా బ్యాలెన్స్ 7 ఉంటాయమ్మా, అంటే 7 పవర్ టాలీ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ బేస్ ఈస్ ద 0.4 మా, బేస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ మా 0.4, ఆప్షన్ ఏ మా, ఆప్షన్ ఏ. నెక్స్ట్ మా 71 ma number series ma, here ma if you observe ma 9 first of all decrease ma, next continue ma 9 into 0.5 plus 0.5 ma, because 4 and half plus 0.5 ma 5. Next ma here ma into 1 plus 1 ma, 5 on the 5 plus 1 ma 6. So obvious ka next em undala ma into 1.5 plus 1.5 ledante into 2 plus 2 ma. If you go for into 2 ma, into 2 plus 2 ma 12 plus 2 ma 14, 14 ma. So 14, ఒకవేళ 14 ఉంటే కనుక 14 into 4 plus 4 ma, 56 plus 6 ma, 56 plus 4 ma 60 ma. So obvious గా option D ma 14. Next 745 7. So all the options ma nearby each other ఉన్నాయి ma. 745 to 733 ma, ఎంత డిక్రీజ్ అయింది మా, ఇక్కడ డిక్రీజ్ మా మైనస్, here ma minus 12 decrease, minus 33 9 ma, 24 decrease, here ma 39 9 minus 48, here ma 35 36 9 minus 9. So difference was becoming ma double 12 24 48 96 ma. Next double ma 565 96 double ma 192, ending with 3 ma, two options ma ending with 3. So nothing but ma here ma 16 minus 9 ma 7 ma 373, option D. Next ma 2 7 20 here ma 2 here ma 2 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 235 వెళ్ళిపోయింది మా హై లెవెల్లో ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 110 కి నియర్లీ 2 టైమ్స్ మా 110 into 2 ma 220 plus extra 15 ఉందమ్మా here additional 15 ma here we don't know here also we don't know ma we go for here ma here into 2 చేసుకుంటే into 2 plus 3 here ma into 2 plus 6 ma into 2 plus 3 into 2 obviously 3 multiple 3 6 next ఏముండాలి మా into 2 plus 9 అంటే 49 into 2 plus 12 ma 49 into 2 ma 98 plus 12 ma 110 so obviously 49 is the answer ma option D next ma 166 498 ma 166 498 here ma అక్కడ లాస్ట్ చూస్తే మా డెసిమల్స్ వచ్చినాయి మా డెసిమల్స్ మా ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఫర్ మా 166 కి దాదాపుగా 3 డేస్ మా ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 3 టైమ్స్ ఇట్ is exactly 3 times ma here ma half of this into 3 by 2 ma again exactly 3 times it is ma half of this so into 3 by 2 ma into 3 so next should be into 3 ma next case ma into 3 300 into 3 ma 900 plus 3 times ante 1110 ke above 1110 above ante obvious ka decimal value ma 1120.5 ma option D option D next ma 8 9 27 61 ma here ma 8 to 9 ma here ma 1 increase 18 extra 27 30 31 34 extra ma 39 49 17 16 here ma 15 ma 30 45 40 17 16 15 next should be 14 ma decreasing 40 59 63 ma nothing but ma 173 option C ma option C ma 173 next now we are looking ma question number 76 to 77 ma quadratic is ma 12 tens ma 12 tens 120 obviously 12 plus 10 ma 22 so x equals to minus 12 minus 10 by 12 ma y square 25 and y equal plus or minus 5 ma y equals to plus 5 or minus 5 plus 4 minus 5 ma it is ma the compare these two ma compared to plus 5 ma lesser only here ma minus 1 compared to minus 1 ma greater whenever one lesser one greater ma we can't see the relation cannot be established ma option E ma next here ma 117 ma 13 9 117 ma 13 plus 9 ma 22 x equals to 13 and 9 y equals to 96 ma 12 8 za 96 ma plus 12 minus 8 ma 4 వస్తుంది so plus 12 minus 8 and a equals y equals to minus 12 and plus 8 ma 13 అనేది compared to minus 12 ma greater compared to 8 also greater ma 9 also greater ma so obviously x is greater than y x greater than y ma next 78 to 81 these are the quadratic equations ma x square 324 and x equals to plus or minus 18 ma plus 18 or minus 18 7 cube ma 8000 nothing but ma 20 cube y equals to 20 so by looking easily we can say ma x is lesser than y next ma 22 3 ma 66 11 6 are 66 ma plus 11 minus 6 ma and obvious ka answers minus 11 plus 6 coefficient ఉంది ma by 3 28 3 ma 84 12 7 are 84 12 plus 7 ma 19 so minus అంటే obvious గా positives వస్తాయి మా y equals to 12 7 by 3 ma by 3 and by 3 ma by 3 and by 3 ma here ma negative compared to both ma lesser only positive ma nothing but this is the 2 4 and 2 point ma 2 is compared to both ma lesser only so x is lesser than y ma option B. Next, here ma 2x minus 3 by x equal 5 ma, that will equal, becomes my equation 2x square, x at value 5 ma, so minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0 ma. 3 2s are 6 ma, 6 1 6 minus 6 plus 1, and obviously answers 6 minus 1 by 2 by 2 ma. సో దీన్ని మనం సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా రఫ్ గా గెస్ చేయమా 13 రావాలి అంటే y ఎంత ఉంటే 13 వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ రఫ్ గా గెస్ దట్ మా. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ y ఈజ్ 8 మా, ఈ y ఈజ్ 8, 16 ప్లస్ 9 మా 25 అంటే 5 అవుతుంది, 5 ప్లస్ 8 13 మా, సో y వాల్యూ మా క్లియర్లీ 8. సో 3 minus 1 ma compared to both ma lesser only ma, so x is lesser than y ma, option B, x is less than y, right ma.